Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see poem Rainforest. So what is rainforest? Rainforest is a place where we can get heavy rains and it contains lot of rich animals. Okay. So this poem is about how a man destroying these rainforest. Okay. A wide variety of plants and animals are found in a rainforest. Read the poem to learn how humans are destroying the beauty of rainforest. Okay. There is a place where it rains a lot, where trees grow straight and tall. This is the place where the sun shines hot and the howler monkeys call. So, it describing the rainforest, describing the place. Okay, how is it? This is a place. It gets a lot of rains, and the trees grows tall and straight. We can see straight trees. Okay, and a very hot sun shines, and we can see the howler monkey. Howler monkey means Amazon rainforest. We can see these monkeys in Amazon rainforest. They make a loud noise. Okay, howling noise. Okay, there is a place where fallen leaves and tree trunks cover the ground. This is the place where the wet soil heaves as beetles scramble around. So the ground is covered with full of leaves, fallen leaves means dry leaves. Okay, and tree trunks, because it's a lot of, there is a lot in that place, there is a lot of trees. So the fallen leaves are fully covered the ground, and this is the place where the wet soil heaves. Heaves means moves up and down with regular movement. Okay, heaves as beetles scramble around. So soils is like, in soils there is a lot of beetles. Beetles means insects, like this. Okay, scramper means move quickly. Okay, there is a place where banana trees, giant figs and palm trees grow. This is the place where you can feast on lychees, avocados and juicy mango. So what we get in that place? A lot of fruits like banana, giant figs, palm and lychee, avocado and mango. Lot of fruits we can get in that place. Okay. This is the place where the orchid blooms, home of toucan and mako, the caped heron with milk white plums, the green snake and black mamba. So not only fruits but also animals and birds we can see in that place. Okay. So orchid means it's a plant with brightly colored. Okay, and a toucan, it's a South American bird, and caped heron is also found in South America. There is a place where folks make their home, where they hunt and fish and farm. This is the place from which medicines come which heal diseases like a charm. So not only birds, animals, fruits, but also human beings also lived in that place. Okay. So they are hunting, fishing and farming in that place. Okay. And they grow medicinal plants. This is the place that is trying to survive the tractor's roar. This is the place that is dying, a place that will soon be no more. So this place now it's destroying. Why? So all are cutting trees, all human beings coming there and cutting the trees. Okay, because of this they are that rainforest becoming no more. Okay. So this is about the poem Rainforest. Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. This poem. Okay. Thank you.